Let's see how Indian Domino's tastes like. I'm going to be trying their lunch meal and the cheese volcano pizza. I know there are a lot of people who came to me in the comment section telling me that I should try Indian food only if I am in India. But there are also other people who told me that I should try Domino's food. So this is what I'm going to do today. Alright guys, let's go inside. Oh, wait a minute. I would have ordered online, but guess what? My room is too hot. I can't eat any food and enjoy it there. And number two, these people were going to take a lot of time. 30 to 40 minutes. So you know what? I decided to say, let me come to the actual place. So guys, let's get inside. Well, I love how sophisticated it is inside here. So I'm going to get their lunch feast, which is 99 rupees. Then I also try their non-veg cheese, cheese volcano delight. That's what I'm gonna try. That's for 549. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be trying here. Alright guys, so they told me that I can't shoot inside. This is why I'm going to eat my food outside. Yo, I'm kidding. Guys, yeah, they told me that I'm not supposed to eat and shoot here, but still, I'm here to stay. I'm here to stay. So yeah, we are going to try this food. By the way, I understand the reason why a lot of Indians wouldn't want people to shoot their food and review their food. To every foreigner out there who is in India, who comes to India to review food, places and all that, please give your honest review. Don't try to trash India because you want to get views from your country or other European countries who hate India. Okay, please just be as honest as possible. So yeah, this is, I don't know what's going on. It's like I have 2 pizzas or something of that sort. I think this is the pack, right? I don't know, man. Let's just open the food. Alright guys, let's start rating my lunch pack. By the way, I had forgotten one thing. The pack comes with a Pepsi. So all of this has been covered in only 100 rupees, 103 rupees. So guys, let's check. This is most probably 10 rupees, 15 rupees. And pizza, let's just start. Alright guys, so this I'm going to try with the sauce. It's creamy. Okay, so it's actually nice. It has some beans and some onions in there. It's nice, but it is spicy. It's like there's some nyemba, there's some beans, and it tastes good though. I don't know the name of the sauce, but it has a little bit of some cheese in the middle, as you can see. Alright, so it's crunchy on the outside, but really soft on the inside. I can literally break it, but in the middle, there's some soft part, which I have to dip in there so that, it can be softer and enjoy. However, this spice tastes like tomato paste, which hasn't been well cooked, and also it is slightly spicy, but it doesn't taste bad. I'll give it a 6 out of 10. Okay, let me just finish the last one. There we go. Just like Moses parted the Red Sea, I'm going to part this pizza. You can see on top there's some cheese and the crust is really soft. It's fluffy, and there's barbecue chicken right there, which looks really good. What I can say is that this pizza is slightly dry, even though it has like the cheese on top, but the cheese hasn't infiltrated yet to get down. I'm sorry, my cough is coming again. Okay, the cheese hasn't yet, infiltrated to go down into the dough so that they can have a good mix up. But trust me, it's not spicy. This means, me and food which is not spicy, we are really good friends. So crazy thing, the cheese on the middle is the one which has infiltrated like deep down, making it a good combo. Really amazing. The pizza, I would definitely give this an 8 out of a 10. This is really good. Well, I don't know if all of you need a review of Pepsi, but no. Pepsi is as good as it was created. Sorry. Okay, let's go to the next meal. This is the medium cheese volcano barbecue pizza that I ordered. And guess what? Ta-da! Alright guys, let's rate our cheese volcano pizza. I wish I could make an ad for these people, like for free, you know, but anyways, let's start the cutting. How do I remove this shit? Okay, so we're gonna dip in this. Sorry. Please bear with me, I'm sick, okay? Yeah, let's dip it down there. I'm not really a fan of cheese, okay? I'm not a fan of cheese, but this level of deliciousness should be illegal. Like, man, this is really nice. Can you zoom? Come closer. So the dough is really soft, okay? It's really soft, and it has the chicken that is well cooked, and then there's some tomatoes and whatnot in there, right? But then the cheese softens it everything like more, you know, it softens it more, making it easy for me to chew. But most importantly, this it's really delicious. Now I see the reason why a lot of Indians have a hype over this thing. It tastes really good. So even if you take a lot of time without eating it, right, it makes a shell on top of it, on top of the cheese, but inside the cheese will still be warm and still be watery enough for someone to just dip it and put it out just like this. And trust me, I would eat this every day. I need a drink. And by the way, it tastes really good. You know, the softness is really good for people who have problems like chest pains, digestion, and whatnot. It improves. This type of pizza will improve your digestion, man. This is really good. Again, I know there are a lot of people who are hating me for saying Indians are lucky for having KFC, Burger King, McDonald's. You're also lucky for having Domino's. These pizzas are really good. I never thought that, you know, I can get a pizza for 100 rupees that it's that delicious. Ooh, I'm sorry, again. And someone is going to ask, hey, why are you drinking the cold drink when you have a cold? There's nothing I can do, it comes with the package. They should put something like a way of breaking, you know, like sort of like this thing is on its own, and then when I break the pizza, it breaks off really nicely. That's a suggestion that I can give to these people, but their pizza tastes really good. Look at this. It has, I don't know what it is, but, well, it's like some mayonnaise type of thing in there, and it tasted really good. Okay, you can zoom out now. Yeah, thank you. Guys, the cheese is finished. Now I don't know what to do. Oh yeah. Another suggestion that I could give them, right? they should give an option of someone taking extra cheese, you know, so that when I finish everything that's in here, a person can finally get another portion of cheese. That'll be really good for business. Yeah, and they will have to charge for extra cheese too. Yeah. By the way, guys, if you have watched the video till now and you haven't subscribed yet, I'm praying for you that the reason why I'm sick, why haven't you subscribed? Click the subscribe button and the bell button. Make sure that every time that I release a new video, you'll get notified. Alright guys, let me finish the pizza. Oh man, it's actually funny how I wanted to eat this part, but guess what? There's this cup thing under. Oh, I can finish it. Oh, I can remove it. But yeah, I wanted to finish it. But yes, if you remove it, it will look like this. So I'm gonna finish it after this video. Now guys, listen up. Indian Domino's tastes really good. It tastes really good. But I'm sure that if you watched my video from the beginning to the end, you understood like the suggestions that I could give them. Their crust is really soft, it's really good, and the amount of cheese that they put is really good. That makes their dish really good. But they should put an option whereby you can get extra cheese, extra mayonnaise and all that. But everything else is good. This barbecue Volcano cheese pizza is a 9 out of 10. It tastes really good. So guys, let's meet in the next video for more honest reviews. Adios. Is it like this? Adios.